सोमारा ब्रेन स्ट्रोक आयिल्ले खातीर वीज मंत्री पांडुरंग मडकयकाराक मुंबयच्या हॉस्पिटलांत दाखल केला। मंगळारा दोतोरांनी तांची शस्त्रक्रिया केली। तांच्या भलायकेत आतां सुदारणा आसा म्हण म्हायती मुंबय तांच्या वासपुसे खातीर गेल्ले GSIDCचे अध्यक्ष सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकारान म्हायती दिल्या।
सिद्धार्थ बाब, मडकयकार प्रायम मिनिस्टरचं कंडिशन कशें आसा आतां?
आता बरें आसा. In the morning he was operated for a clot to remove the clot, and now he is much better, stable.
Exactly. Anything? Is it a brain stroke or what exactly, sir?
Pardon?
Is it a brain stroke or what is exactly it is, sir?
It's a brain stroke.
Okay. So what doctors has to say now?
Doctors have carried out the surgical procedure,
Hmm.
and now they say he is stable. His parameters also are stable. So it is wait and watch for next 72 hours.
Okay. Sir, Carl, yesterday he had gone to Bombay for health checkup only on the same thing. So exactly the health checkup I will tell you.
No. He had gone for his official work. I think it's his business or official work. I'm not aware. But he was in Bombay in the afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this happened suddenly then.
Yeah, it happened at night, late at night.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
तसेच भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी सांगला आता वीज मंत्र्याच्या भलायकेत बरीच सुदारणा आसा।
I am going now to see him. I am also being accompanied by the medical superintendent of Goa Medical College, so he can coordinate his surgery. The surgery was conducted early in the morning, and the doctors have said that they are very happy with the success of the surgery. An actual update after going there and taking a review with the concerned doctor there, I will give you an update. But Mr. Madkekar is doing well, and the doctors are very happy with the procedure conducted on Mr. Madkekar. And he is in Kokilaben Hospital under the best care, and I am sure he will come out walking from the hospital getting the best treatment.
आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीज।